my viewers, welcome back to my tutor, which is Mobax. Today they are giving us a problem under logarithm function to solve. But before I move on, I'd like to beg to subscribe or to follow this video, share the video and like it. Let us move to the question given to us. Now, solution to the question given to us. Question 1. Y equal to natural logarithm open bracket 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 close bracket. To solve this question, it is very simple, but you take a look at the differentiation table, which say that natural logarithm, whenever you have natural logarithm, any variable, for example, we have natural logarithm x. If you differentiate it, it will be giving us what? 1 over x. Or we have natural logarithm y. If you differentiate it, it will be giving us what? 1 over y. So that's one. But in this way, they are giving us a function that is very big, which is what? 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Minus 1. Even if you give like this, natural logarithm x squared, if you want to differentiate it, this square will come down only like this. Natural logarithm x squared, this square will change to b, which is what? 2 natural logarithm x. So that is that. But here, in this place, we have to differentiate this function. Now, the y over the x now equal to what? By differentiating this function using the general method nx raised by n minus 1. Why? If differentiate 3x squared, we giving us what? 2 times 3, 6x, 2 minus 1, 1, x raised by 1, x, plus, if differentiate 2x, we giving us what? 2, because 2x, the variable here is what? We have power of 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Any number that raised power is 0 will be giving us what? 1. Now, 2 times 1 will be giving us 2. Constant is what? If you want to differentiate constant, is 0. That means it has gone. All over all this, 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. So that is the solution for question 1. Question 2. We have y equal to open bracket x plus 1 close bracket open bracket x minus 2 close bracket raised to power 3 divided by what? Open bracket x minus 3 close bracket. But in this question 2, it look at the quotient rule. Also in the numerator, it looks like product rule. How do we take a look at it? It is very simple to solve by taking the both sides by what? By natural logarithm. So now we have to multiply both sides by natural logarithm, which is what? Ln. Now, if you take both sides by natural logarithm, we give us what? Natural logarithm y equal to what? Natural logarithm all in bracket of what? X minus x plus 1 all in bracket multiplied by x minus 2 all in bracket raised to power 3 divided by what? Open bracket x minus 3 close bracket all in bracket. The next step to do is what? We can now differentiate it. By differentiating natural logarithm y, we give us what? 1 over y multiplied by what? If but y equal to what? All this, now you have to what? You have to multiply what? The y over the x, because we have to obtain this value dy over the x. Now, the next step, from the law of logarithm, if you have something like this, log, because we have to separate this, we have log a multiplied by log b it will be equal to what? Log A plus log A B. Then we have to apply this rule from natural logarithm to the numerator. Now, by using the natural logarithm to open the bracket of numerator, we give us what? Natural logarithm open bracket x plus 1 close bracket. I have told you product is behind them, so the product change to what? Plus natural logarithm open bracket x minus 2 all in bracket 3. How do we do this division? From the natural logarithm, also say that log A divided by log B ought to be equal to what? Log A minus B. So we have to apply the same rule. We have to apply the rule here. But our division log, we have changed it to what? We are log A divided by log B. This is our log A like this. We have changed our log A divided by what? Divided by log B. But our log B here is what? X minus 3. But division we change to what? Minus. Then we change to what? Minus natural logarithm open bracket x minus 3 close bracket. Now we can now differentiate it. One all over y multiplied by the y all over the x equal to, if we differentiate this, if differentiate variable, it will give us what? 1, constant is 0, divided by all this. The same method we applied in this place. The same method we applied in this place. If differentiate natural logarithm x plus 1 only, it will give us what? 1 divided by x plus 1. Because if differentiate x is 1, if differentiate this, it will give us what? 0 plus. If we differentiate this one, this one, the variable is what? The power will change from this place. Apply this method. Natural logarithm open bracket x minus 2 close bracket place power 3. So we change to what? 3 natural logarithm open bracket x minus 2 divided by what? Open bracket minus 2 close bracket minus, if you differentiate this, 1, if you differentiate this, x, if you differentiate x, you will give us what? 1. Constant is what? Is 0, which is what? Divided by what? Divided by x minus 3. X minus 3. Now, 1 divided by y multiplied by the y all over the x equal to 1 all over x plus 1 plus 3. If you differentiate this plus this is 3, if you differentiate this, it will be giving us what? 1. If you differentiate x, it will be giving us what? 1. 1 multiplied by 3 will be giving us what? 3. Divided by constant is what? 0. So that has gone. Divided by all this, x minus 2 minus 1 all over x minus 3. So to obtain the dy all over the x only, we have to multiply both sides by y. By multiply both sides by y. Now 1 all over y multiplied by dy all over the x multiplied by y equal to y. You have to take both sides by y. Open bracket 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 3 divided by x minus 2 minus 1 divided by x minus 3 all in bracket. Now y cancel y, remain what? The y all over the x equal to y open bracket 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 3 divided by x minus 2 minus 1 divided by x minus 3 close bracket. But we cannot leave our answer like this because we have to obtain the y over the x. But our y equal to what? Our y equal to x plus 1 all in bracket open bracket x minus 2 all in bracket raised to power 3 divided by open bracket x minus 3 close bracket. So we have to substitute our y equal to it. Now the y all over the x equal to what? What is our y? Open bracket x plus 1 close bracket open bracket, x minus 2, close bracket, raised power 3, all divided by this, open bracket, x minus 3, close bracket, open bracket. So we cannot write this into this, 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 3 divided by x minus 2 minus 1 divided by x minus 3, close bracket. So this is our final answer for question 2. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video and like it and comment. God bless you for watching. See you on my next content.